This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow potato salad, full guide. Start by selecting waxy yellow potatoes and rinsing them well under cold water. Trim any blemishes and cut into uniform 1-inch chunks so they cook evenly. Boil gently until just tender, then drain and let steam dry briefly. Keep the potatoes warm while you prepare the dressing to ensure they absorb flavor. Warm the dressing by whisking mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and a splash of apple cider vinegar until smooth and glossy. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Stir in chopped pickles or sweet relish for brightness and texture. Taste and adjust seasoning, keeping the dressing slightly tangy so it complements rather than overpowers the potatoes when folded together. Gently fold the warm, drained potatoes into the prepared dressing so they soak up flavor without breaking apart. Fold in chopped celery, red onion, and quartered hard-boiled eggs for complementary crunch and richness. Adjust salt and pepper, then cover and chill at least 1 hour so flavors meld beautifully. Serve slightly cool or at room temperature, garnished with chopped parsley or paprika for a cheerful finish everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.